Hello, and welcome to the Path to Prosperity with the QuickBooks Solution Provider program. My name is Julia Borquez. Joining me today are three amazing panelists, Gina Avila, Steph Rubio, and Jamie Del Vecchio. We are excited that you have joined us today to talk through our program and its benefits. We will be discussing the journey of our program and partners that we've been on for the last 25 years, how these solutions have increased our partners and their profitability, and where we are headed into the future with our program. Again, my name is Julia Borquez, and I am a Partner Development Manager based out of Arizona. I have been with Intuit for over 10 years, and I get the pleasure of working with our amazing QSP partners every day. Steph, go ahead and take it from here.
Thanks, Julia. Steph Rubio, also based in Tucson, Arizona. Joined Intuit in 2004, and I've been in this channel since 2012, today serving in a Senior Partner Development Management role. Thanks for joining us today.
Awesome. My name is Jamie Del Vecchio, and I am based in Phoenix, Arizona, and I have been with Intuit for close to 20 years and currently serve our partners as a Senior Partner Development Manager here in the QuickBooks Solution Provider channel.
So my name is Gina Avila. I'm one of the senior managers of the QuickBooks Solution Provider team. I've been with Intuit for 20 plus years, and I'm very proud to say 11 plus of those years I've been in the QuickBooks Solution Provider program, working with our partners and our partner development managers. And I'm also based out of Tucson, Arizona. Welcome to the session today.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Let's go ahead and get this kicked off. Steph, the first question is for you. With an emphasis on growth, talk about the last couple of years and the changes that our partners have experienced as a business. How has QuickBooks given them a tool to leverage in continuing their growth?
Yeah, it's actually a great question. There's a lot going on there, so I'll do my best to give a concise answer here. So having been part of this channel since 2012, I've seen a lot of change, not only in the marketplace with how consumers use our products and services, but also how our partners have learned to engage and create value and monetize those opportunities. So in that time, we've seen a move from basically a pure like a reseller motion, right? Partner buys product here, they sell it for here, and that difference represents their profit in that single transaction. The world has changed now to the point where gradually, right, but now we can feel it, more than ever, that services and what a partner can provide to an end user customer are just as, if not more important, than the product and service itself. So it helps create stickiness, mutual value, all the things that partners are looking for in an ISV partner to help create value in their portfolio when they go to solve for customers. With that has been the move not only from our customers, but also in our portfolio to more online, cloud access, anytime, anywhere. How do business owners get to their data, their info, their workers, the things that they need to do every day, anytime, anywhere from the device in their hands. So we've seen not only our products go from a very static like desktop solution in a brick and mortar setting to a more mobile, any device with internet connectivity, and our partners have adapted to that. Specifically in the growth of our QuickBooks Online product, QBO, if you will, that has become really the core of what it is that we do here on our channel. There's a very rich third-party app ecosystem that goes along with that, with the QuickBooks product at its core. So QuickBooks does fill a need that we don't see anywhere else in the market today in terms of a financial and accounting solution. If we give the partners the ability to transact on that product and to procure it and make it part of their overall solution, it's mutually beneficial, right? I don't have enough time here to go into all the details on what exactly that looks like, but the point is customers have shown us what it is that they want, and using the QBO or QuickBooks Online product as the core of not only our solutions and how we go to market, but how we enable partners go to market, we can win together.
Thank you for that. Second question, I'm going to direct to the ladies. Intuit has been working closely with partners via the QSP program for over 25 years. Jamie, kick us off with what the program started as and how it's evolved to what it is today. And then Gina, we'll go ahead and pass it off to you to highlight the program benefits in today's ecosystem.
Thanks, Julia. So like Steph mentioned, our reseller program started as a desktop business and primarily focused toward what we'd consider mid-market at that time, with QuickBooks Point of Sale being the first product actually in our line card. And then later adding on our other desktop and finally our QuickBooks Online solutions. And what our channel quickly proved is that customers really want to work primarily with their trusted solution architect for all of their business needs. And that solution providers really needed a way to leverage a fintech application like QuickBooks Online to offer a one-stop shop for their clients and really deliver an end-to-end solution with their services. Fast forward to today, and we're incredibly fortunate to be a cloud-first channel, like Steph mentioned. So QuickBooks Online is the core of our ecosystem. We're very passionate about it. And we have a really diverse reseller channel that partners with solution providers with all areas of expertise, right? So we started as a channel with our, value-added accountants and pro advisors, and we have really grown into being a full-fledged partner channel that also incorporates our larger MSP partners as well. Across Intuit, we're recognized as the high value channel here because our team of partners not only deliver QuickBooks, but we also deliver security and productivity and industry related applications and custom services to our small mid-market customers that they need.
And just to add on that, so from just a benefit of the program, so we have two models in our program. So very much focused on the QBO ecosystem and also, our enterprise solutions ecosystem. So from a QuickBooks Online perspective, we do offer two models in our program based off of the way you want to go to business. So we have a referral model and we also have a resell model. And with that being said, again, we're trying to go to business the way you go to business in having QuickBooks a part of your portfolio of the solutions that you already offer. So in that, we are looking for partners that have we're looking for strategic partnerships with MSPs that have a sales and marketing staff that have a great value of portfolios that they already have that we can already sell QuickBooks, right? So the question is always asked that I hear a lot, Julia, is, do your customers are they already asking you for QuickBooks, or do you find a need where QuickBooks can solve a benefit in that? And that's what we're really looking for, is for partnerships that we can go to market with and that we can help from a partner profitability to help increase your profitability in your space. The one thing that we do also like to say is that, we want to go and partner with partners that have a strong customer-centric belief in making sure that we're doing right for the customer and setting the customer up for an end-to-end process.
We've been on quite the journey. Mm-hmm. The next one, I'm going to keep it with the ladies for now, with Gina and Jamie. What value does our program deliver to our partners? What makes this channel program unique in its space? And how do we ensure partners develop a significant book of business that they can add in?
So, one of the things that I love the most and that our partners tell us is actually one of the best benefits of joining the QuickBooks Solution Provider program is working directly with someone like me, right? So with their partner development manager. And that's what makes our program unique, right? Every provider who joins our channel is paired up with a dedicated partner development management team. Not just select partners who only sell the most. Everybody gets partnered with a dedicated team, and we work in the trenches with you as the team behind your team through the entire partnership to help you go to market with QuickBooks Online and really set you up for continued support and success.
Awesome. Great ads, Jamie. And I'd just like to add on that from a product perspective, again, everyone's wanting to go to the cloud and have that mobility access. And QuickBooks is really advancing on the online space. And that's where, again, a benefit that the program will deliver to our partners is from a training perspective, a supportability perspective of making sure, again, that we have the pricing models that's right for your business. The one thing that I'm really excited about and where Intuit has really stepped up and said, we need partners like yourselves in order to help us penetrate this mid-market space and the small mid-market business space that we're trying to penetrate. In order for us to target those customers, we need the help of the partners. We need those value-added services that you can bring to the table. When we think about training, implementation, data migration, third-party add-ons of really providing an end-to-end solution set for our customers, that's where we're really looking at, partners and partnerships.
So the next one is going to direct to all three of you. Who are the ideal partners that would benefit from becoming a part of this program? And what can they expect from it? What's in it for them?
I'll kick off. Ideal partner, anybody who wants to do it, right? And what I'm getting at is our partners today, they're all shapes and sizes, right? Like the genesis of this program came from our Pro Advisor program. And then we noticed that there was a subset of those partners, those professionals that had a sales core competency. And from that, as that evolved, so did our channel. I mean, today we have partners who are an MSP model We have some who are ISVs who develop their own solutions to work with our product. We have those who are specifically cloud delivery. I guess back in the day, we would call them hosters. Those are partners as well. So the bottom line is, when we say ideal partner, it's not necessarily, well, if you're this, then this will work for you, but if you're this, then maybe not so much. That's actually not the case. Our product has so much market penetration, so much value for any business, any end user business out there, because we're solving for the financial component, the accounting, the money in, money out piece of their business, that anybody who has that hole in their portfolio, which I believe is probably going to be almost anybody, this is the ideal program for them.
And just to add to what Steph just said, the other thing is from a vertical expertise perspective of looking at, partners that have an expertise in construction, in manufacturing, wholesale, in legal, in healthcare, those verticals that where our customers are really needing the help of not just QuickBooks, but what are some of the third-party add-ons? What are some of the consulting services that you can do? Is there BPO options that are available that the customers can tap into with your value-added services? So there's a plethora of services that partners can offer to our customers that Intuit can. And that's, again, where we're needing that partnership with that vertical expertise that our partners have a passion for and can deliver for our customers in ensuring that they're using QuickBooks and they're using it the right way.
Yeah, and a lot of partners think that they have to have an accounting background or be a bookkeeper to join our channel and to be a reseller, and that couldn't be farther from the truth, right? We understand that our MSPs are not QuickBooks experts, you're not marketers, they're not accountants, and that driving managed service revenue is really the first priority. So what we do to tailor our program to our non-accountant partners is we work closely with our partners to help them go to market and implement QuickBooks within their portfolio in a way that keeps their services front and center and leverages QuickBooks as an additional value add in their tool belt, as opposed to driving their value add with QuickBooks. And as part of that support, our MSPs receive easy to use, customizable marketing resources. We've got dedicated pre and post sale support, just to name a few. And, we're really here to serve you, right? So we will work very closely with you as your partner development management team, to really help you go to market very successfully with QuickBooks.
Absolutely. Great info, guys. Thank you. Jamie.
Yeah.
What value does having cloud-based financial management solution give channel partners? And how do QuickBooks solutions stand out from the competition?
Yeah, QuickBooks is a game changer for our partners, right? And it's a key way to enable them really to differentiate their value add from everybody else. There's a lot of providers out there. There's a lot of MSPs, right? It's a very needed and also lucrative business, but not everybody sells QuickBooks. And so that's really what will set them apart from, anybody else that may offer the same type of services. QuickBooks is also a well-respected, widely used and recommended solution, which further lends to our partners' value proposition as an end-to-end service provider, right, an MSP. And our goal has never been to compete with other solutions, right? We get a lot of questions about how does QuickBooks Online stack up to other ERP solutions? And our answer is that, we understand our customer and we understand what they need, and we focus solely on delivering the right products for their needs. We're not interested in replacing any other solutions on the market. We want to right size and right fit our customers into our solutions at the right price.
Great response. Thank you. Steph, how are QuickBooks solutions tailored to small business mid-market?
Well, that's a good one. So leaning on a little bit what I said earlier about like the evolution of the products and the services to align with what it is that customers are looking for. So I know we've been talking a lot about the QBO, the online product, like in the cloud, but we want this to come across too, that we do still serve those with the desktop need. And what I'm getting at is, depending on what lane that end user customer needs to be in, our enterprise product with its ODBC architecture does allow customization and synchronicity with pretty much anything out there on the market. Just like our QBO with its open APIs is going to allow basically the same thing. So regardless of the size of the business, what the needs are, sole proprietorship on up to 100 plus employees and or users, we're going to be able to give our partners everything that they need to build a solid portfolio and then go win the business.
Thank you. Next one, Steph and Jamie. How can partners differentiate themselves and grow their businesses by offering the QuickBooks solution and its services?
Yeah, I'll start there too. So we've alluded to this a little bit up to this point, but Apps.com, just like it sounds, apps.com, is a place where anybody, whether it's a partner or the end user, can go find, just a massive catalog of third-party applications that have some synchronicity with our products. What I'm getting at is there's tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, MSPs, ISVs, VARs. Like there's a lot of competition out on the marketplace, but every one of those has the thing that they do. Like what's their differentiator? What's their competency? What vertical do they specialize in? Understanding that accounting is accounting is accounting, and not to oversimplify what accountants do, but every business needs to track the money in, the money out, right? So if we can help them solve that piece of it, think of it like not trying to go and buy the perfect house, but start off with the very best foundation on which to build your house, and QuickBooks can be that foundation, right? So if we start with that layer, that component, then with the apps.com website, and then with the open architecture of both our enterprise and our QBO products, the sky's going to be the limit. We're really going to help. We're going to be a partner in creating that differentiator, not an obstacle.
Yeah, and if you think of adding QuickBooks Online to your portfolio as a step ladder, for example, right? Selling QuickBooks Online is just the first step. There's literally countless services that our customers need, right, in order to help them implement and then use QuickBooks Online. So there's really a huge revenue opportunity from a services standpoint for our partners to be able to deliver value-added customized services like maybe custom integrations of third-party apps that haven't yet, joined our app store and built their own integration. There's also a big need for data migration, right? Especially as we are helping our QuickBooks Desktop customers come into the 21st century and get more comfortable with the cloud. And then there's the ongoing stuff, right? So there's training, there are services, there are additional productivity, security applications that our partners have. And so it really helps to build a really well-rounded service basket.
I like how you guys highlight the different types of integrations, because we all know that it's not something out of the box that we can just give to each industry. So you guys did a great job on highlighting how we can pivot for each industry. So thank you. So Gina, the last two will be for you. The first one, how do QuickBooks Solutions help partners create more stickiness with their customers?
Well, if you think about it, financial management solutions is the backbone of any small to middle-sized business that we have out there. And with QuickBooks anywhere, anytime access that's available with QBO, it just makes it so easy for us to create that stickiness of getting you involved with QuickBooks and also creating that value-added services that you can bring to the table. Also, we have integrated services within QuickBooks that a lot of our customers don't even know that are available, which talk to QuickBooks. If you think about our payroll solutions, payments, everything's included within the product. And as many of the panelists said today, is we also have the third party. So really creating that stickiness for the customers, and then bringing in your value add as far as, again, the training, the implementation, data migration services, bookkeeping, really creates that stickiness that creates a win-win for Intuit and for our partners.
Gina, last question. Where can interested partners learn more?
Great question, Julia. Thank you. If you're wanting to learn more about our program and having a win-win solution for yourself and for your customers, we're looking forward to talking to you more about our program. Thank you for joining us today.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.